I've had this buffet server for about a year, and here's my thoughts. So with this, you get the base, and then you're gonna get 3 total pots, which are basically like crock pots. And then you're gonna have lids for each one of them. To use it, all you do is just plug it in, and then you're gonna adjust these settings. Each setting is going to specifically control each individual crock pot. There's 4 different settings on each one of these knobs. You've got high, low, warm, and off. So like I said, these are 2.5 quarts, or to give you a better idea, it's about 4 pounds of chicken or 2 bags of meatballs. Basically, it's a lot of food in each one of these. We use these all the times for parties and get-togethers. Tacos, you can put nacho cheese and ground beef and refried beans, or you can have several different types of meats. Lots of different options. One thing I really like about these is when you're all done, you can just take it out. You can put that in the fridge, and then when you're ready to reheat it, just put it back in here and turn it on. Really convenient, super easy to clean. We use this all the time. I would definitely recommend this for any household. I hope this helped answer all your questions.